Hello guys, this is Jeff, your teacher. Today we're gonna be talking about colors in Haitian Creole. Koulè yo en Creole Haitien. I am certain that there are many colors that you guys may not know, and that's why I bring it out to you today, just to help you identify all the colors in this language, in this particular language, because I know it may be a little bit difficult for you to pronounce them, but with my help and the phonetics that I'm going to teach you today, you will be easily able to pronounce those colors without any issue. All right, let's get started. The first color is gris clair. Gris clair, it's light gray. Gris clair, light gray. Marron clair, dark brown. Marron clair, dark brown. Rouge clair, light red. Rouge clair, light red. Orange clair, light orange. Orange clair, light orange. Jaune clair, light yellow. Jaune clair, light yellow. Vert clair, light green. Bleu clair, light blue. Bleu clair, light blue. Mauve clair, light purple. Mauve clair, light purple. Rose clair, light pink. Rose clair, light pink. White blanc. Gray gris. Brown marron. Red rouge. Orange orange or jaune abricot. You can say orange or jaune abricot. Jaune yellow. Vert green. Bleu blue. Mauve purple. Rose pink. Noir black. Gris foncé dark gray. Gris foncé dark gray. Marron foncé dark brown. Marron foncé dark brown. Rouge foncé dark red. Rouge foncé dark red. Orange foncé dark orange. Orange foncé dark orange. Jaune foncé dark yellow. Jaune foncé dark yellow. Vert foncé dark green. Vert foncé dark green. Bleu foncé dark blue. Bleu foncé dark blue. Mauve foncé dark purple. Mauve foncé dark purple. Rose foncé pink dark. Rose foncé pink dark. All right, so you just learned 3 parts of the colors. What do I mean by that? So as you saw it in the beginning, it was a little light gray, and the light gray became gray, and the gray became dark gray, which is light gray, gray, and dark gray. Gris clair, gris, gris foncé. All right, that was the lesson for. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe.